My name is Margaux Petit. I'm an artist based in Paris, and I'm a past student of the Kerrie Hess Masterclass. I've been following and loving Kerrie's work for a few years now, so when the first ever masterclass launched, I thought it was the perfect opportunity for me to move from digital to traditional illustration and learn painting techniques from an artist that inspires me at my own pace. My confidence in painting before enrolling in the masterclass was pretty low. That's why I was focusing on digital painting on a tablet, because it's a more forgiving medium. When you make a mistake, you just have to press the undo button to start over again, which you can't do when you work on real paper. Since completing the course, I got some really nice opportunities. I got to work on a few commissions for both small businesses and private individuals. For example, my latest project consisted in creating some bespoke illustrations for the brand new website of a Manchester florist, which was very exciting. The masterclass really helped me, first of all, improve my painting techniques, be more creative, find my own style, and get the confidence to accept custom orders, which I don't think I would without the course. My favorite aspect of both masterclasses was the quality of the online courses. Videos are beautifully edited, they have a relaxing atmosphere and a step-by-step approach which make it a really nice learning experience. I think the best advice Kerrie gave us during the course was to always be kind to yourself and that it's okay to make mistakes. And that the most important in painting is to enjoy the process itself rather than just trying to achieve any form of perfection. I do have a newfound joy for painting since completing the masterclass. Painting went from being a hobby to being my #1 passion. Really makes me happy and also helps me when I am too stressed, for example. I think I surprised myself working on every module of the course. Because when I first signed up and I saw a preview of what we were going to paint, I thought I would never be able to reproduce any of the paintings, and I did. I would 100% recommend the Kerrie Hess Masterclass, both for the quality of the courses and for the community that you become part of. I originally joined the first course and later enrolled in the advanced version, and I think I would sign up straight away to any future other course.